In a sun-drenched meadow, Dodo the tiny yellow duckling waddles happily, his family nearby. A bright butterfly flits past, capturing Dodo's attention and sparking his curiosity. Ignoring his mother's gentle calls, Dodo begins his chase, his small legs carrying him toward the colorful insect. At the forest's edge, Dodo innocently chases a butterfly, drawn deeper into the woods. The butterfly vanishes. Dodo stops, and a chilling realization dawns upon him. He's lost. A desperate call pierces the silence. Quack, quack, where's my pond?